Hello my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. I love salads and I also like burgers and hot dogs. The common denominator of these three food items is the onions. All of them use raw onions either as an ingredient or topping. Often they can be bitter or too strong, and to mellow the taste, here's a handy trick to know. So let's get cooking. Here, I'm using a red onion because I'll be making my quinoa summer salad, which is coming up next month. But you can also use white or yellow onions. They work the same. We'll prep what we need or what the recipe is asking for and pour enough very cold water to cover an inch above the top. We'll stir well and let it sit for 30 minutes. Now, during the summertime when it's hot outside, I like to add an ice cube so the water stays cold. The enzymes cause that bitter taste from the onions, and the cold water helps to extract a lot of it. When half an hour is up, we'll drain the onion pieces into a colander and proceed with our recipe. As you saw in this video, it's a small little step to do with big results. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!